Hi, class 6. Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well. God bless you. Take care of yourselves. Be home, be safe. I guess I'm just dying to praying to God and asking Him for this COVID 19 to finish at anyhow, and we all get back to school and meet each other and get things going and start rocking again. So we are wasting a lot of time in this lockdown. Okay, so, anyways, we were on the first chapter, what, how, and when. See, I want to tell you before I start this chapter again, that is, you have to just follow my readings, my explanations. There's a surprise for you at the end of this class, which is going to give you immense help and it's going to solve all your issues. So, I am going to read and explain you part by part. So, it doesn't have to be that you have to means write down, but you have to write down notes, what you understand. What you don't understand is much more important to me. What you understand is your notes. That means you have understood and you're learning on that. What you don't understand has a much more bigger criteria for me to renew that and explain it, and it goes into your understanding notes. Understood, everybody? So I'll start there. We had kept it till objects, if I'm not mistaken. About tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, seals, paintings, and coins we had spoke. So I'll just give a feedback on this again so that the guys who have missed or not followed it. See, objects include tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, seals, paintings, and coins that are found during excavation. When they're digging up. How do we come to know the difference? With tools. What are tools? It can be machinery tools, it can be a hammer, it can be a screwdriver, it can be a knife. So during excavation, the things which came out, we compare it with today, or that person, the historians or these archaeologists, they compare it. We also compare sometimes the knives which your mom uses in the kitchen, or the utensils which she's using in the kitchen, was it being used 40 years ago, that same type? Did we have a micro oven 40 years ago? Did we have pasta 40 years ago? No. Even if we had, it was in a different texture, different design, and different type of food. Okay? Weapons. Before, people had bow and arrows. Before, they used to put gunpowder inside the gun and push it in and shove it in and then fire. When I was in the military, I had different guns, but the guys who were using guns before that had different guns. Now the military has got much more better guns. We have got laser guns, weapons. We have got extra exclusive bombs, grenades, mines. Okay, we have got artillery, we have got missiles, we have got missile rockets, we have got rocket launchers. So these are weapons which are upgraded, and during that time we compare and see how people used and what were they using. Pottery, we have modern utensils. That time people used to use, they didn't have stainless steel, they didn't have micro oven, they didn't have plastic, they didn't have microware sets, tiffin boxes, they didn't have hot cases. So these are the difference. Ornaments, girls' favorite is ornaments. Gold, junk jewelry, silver, what type of jewels, the designs which we wear now. Now some designs are being repeated. From those designs, they're taking pictures and they're bringing back, medieval period, ancient period. They're bringing those designs, like Tanishq is there. There is so many companies are there. Reliance is there. Those who indulge into these designs, huge designs, and they bring back. There are few names, what they call chokers and they call bangles and all, and whatnot is there. I'm not so much known, but ornaments have a vast influence on our culture, on our Indian culture, basically. To be very true, people follow the ornaments a lot. Seals, the type of sealing, how they used to bind up, how they used to lock and keep it in key. We used to have wax before. I don't know what they used to seal. They used to tie up before, and they had hot waxes to seal, and they had emblems. We post office. If you ever go to the post office, if you want to send a package somewhere, except speed post, if you go to a normal post office, you tell him I want to send a packet, then now to seal that. You go to the court. If there's any court case, if you want to go and check any file, they are all sealed up and locked and with wax, and they're stamped. There's a steel. It's a copper steel. Some uses iron steel. Some use carving stones as seals. Coins, money is very known to us. We have these coins, isn't it? We are collecting coins, old coins. We see like how these coins are, what is going on, how was the texture, the date. So these all matter a lot. So this is how we found everything. So I just recap on that. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just coming back in the next video. We'll start inscriptions and edicts. Okay.